Today we are going to be looking at HTML list. So this is how it goes. I will start from here. So first of all, I just want to try to create a folder. I'll right click, select folder. I will name it HTML project. So if I have that, I will proceed to my VS Code. I will double click to open the VS Code. Now we are in VS Code, so I will click on File. I want to open the folder we created on the desktop, so I'll click on Open Folder. When I'm open folder, I will click on Desktop. Then this is the name of the folder. I'll click once and select Folder. So my folder is now opened in VS Code. Now if I look at the folder name, there is a file here, new file, new folder. But what I want to do is create a new file, so I will click on new file. Then I will name it whatever name I want to use, but it must be in .html. So I'll do list.html. I will press the enter key. So I will proceed to where we have one. I will click, then I will hold Shift 1. So if I hold Shift 1, I release it. This is what I'm going to see. I will press the enter key. That's give me my basic HTML structure like I here. So I will go to the body tag. Now what we are trying to do is H1, which is larger, followed by H2. The smallest is A6, depending on the type of heading which I will use, depending on my choice. So I'm going to use here H2 for example. I can see that I have heading 1 to 6. 6 is the smallest, H1 is the largest. So I just want to use 2 and I name it Unordered List. So if I'm having an ordered list, which is the name, the heading that it's going to be, so I will click in front, press enter key. Now we'll proceed to now bring unordered list. So unordered U, unordered L list. So I will combine it by abbreviating it to unordered list, means UL, unordered list. Then I will press to select. Now in my unordered list, I will list out items, so I will press enter to break it down. Now I have them in this way, so I will list my item. In listing my items, I will use li, list item, li. Then I will select the li. For example, on order, I want some items to be in an unordered form, that is dotted form. So let's try that format. So for example, I would use milk. Press again, I'll call another li. Let's say bond. So I'll just use 4. I'll come to this way, call li. Just want to list some items that will be unordered. So okay, to use names, which okay. So I have this one inside UL. I have 4 li. So for me to go and check it on the web browser and see how it looks like, I will hold Control and press S. Hold Control, press S, which means it has saved. Then I will come here, right click on it and select Review in File Explorer. Review in File Explorer. If I want to change it, I will open with Google Chrome. This is what we call an unordered list. Can you see it's not in any order? Like it's not in the order of numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not in the order of alphabet A, B, C, D. It's not in order of the Roman numeral 1, 2, 3, 4 as the 4 listed item on the listed list. In a dotted form, we call it unordered list. So we'll proceed and try to create an ordered list. So we'll see. So I'll proceed. I'll go in front of the close tag of UL and go down, so that I would separate it. Now I want ordered list, so I will call h2 and name it. I want an ordered list this time around. So click. Now ordered list, which is ol, ordered list ol. So ol, so when I select the ol, down list item li milk, another li pizza, another li sugar. Turn to list out the items, so we'll see how it is. Down, enter li, select. I have 4 items. Said I will save. I have to save again. Control S. Now I will go to my browser to click below here. Then since I have it before, I did not close it, I will refresh. So he has added the ordered list. Here is in numbering 1 2 3 4. Automatically its number is 1 2 3 4. That's the difference. So it is an ordered in an ordered manner, while the other one is in unordered manner in form of a list. Is listed orderly 1 2 3 4. The first one is unordered using a dotted form. So that's what we are referring to, ordered and ordered list. Then if I want to change the pattern of ordered list to other forms of alphabets and Roman numeral, then I have to introduce an attribute called type. So let's proceed and see how that is done. Okay, so while in the VS Code, I will come to the open tag ol, space it, look for type. So I will select type. So it's telling me, can you see now, if I want it in number 1 2 3 4, I want it in alphabet, capital and small letter, or Roman numeral, capital and small letter. I'll make my choice. So let's use in alphabet. So that's all. The type is A. I will save, Control S, proceed to my browser, and I will refresh. See the numbers in alphabetical order in capital, the way we have selected it. We will proceed again and try to change it to Roman numeral small. Okay, let's use this form. Save, Control S. Always remember to save before you go back. I will refresh. See, that's changed back to the form that I would like to, whichever form you prefer, in an ordered form, Roman numeral 1 2 3 4. So that's for that. So since we have that, but we are looking for type in numbers, which is 1. Save, go back and refresh. So this is what we have. Then we proceed and see another, the last form. I'm spacing so that I don't look clumsy. Then I want something called description list. So h2 description list. So here's my description list. Now description list, unlike the other ul and ol, does not use li to list out items. It use sub. This heading is h. If I want to give it a title, I will use dt, which is description title. If I want to use describe the data under the title, I will use dd, description data. dt is description list, dd is description data. Now I will proceed. I will call dt the terms title. So if I select dt, for example, I'm trying to explain topics under mathematics, topics in mathematics. So under it now, I want dd, which is have law of indices. Another description of the data, simple equation. Then let's put another topic. Okay, let's use these three. Then I will save, Ctrl S. Okay, so we can see we have the heading description list. We have give it a title of this. What are we describing? Top topics in mathematics. So list law of indices, simple to explaining the topics. I will use DD. Then the terms, the title of the topics. So we are using topics in mathematics. Now Ctrl S to save. I will go back to my browser and I'll refresh. This is my description list. Can you see the description terms? What I used to describe is topic in mathematics, while the description data as DD, law of indices, simple mathematics equation, and logarithm. So these are the three various forms they have in HTML list: unordered list, ordered list, and description list. So there are three. Those are the three type of lists that we do in HTML. For us to change the types in ordered form in OL, which is on ordered list, we have to attribute an attribute. The type is called HTML attribute. We introduce an attribute called type, and we can now decide whether it's in number, alphabet, or Roman numeral. So I hope you got that clearly now. Thank you.